Rahul Viknesh. Today I prepared frameless sandwich. I am from ABS Global Smart School. I prepared it in 3 sauces. First layer of green sauce, second layer of mayonnaise, third layer of ketchup, tomato sauce.
Namaste, my name is Danja. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. Famous cooking, sandwich, bel puri, apple pie, rose milk. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Vasudha. I am studying in ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. Today, the things I have used is some lemons, some tomatoes, and some pinch of salt, and some onions, and some corns.
Namaste, my name is S. Chanakya. I am from 6th A. I am studying in ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. I made dry fruit laddu I prepared with dates, cashew and sesame seeds, and I prepared biscuit sandwich with the biscuit, cheese and onions.
Namaste, my name is Harini Alden from ABS Global Smart School. Today I made a dish rice flakes puttu with nuts ball. I have added dry fruits and honey for a nuts ball, and putta I have rice flakes with nuts, and it's a protein foods and you can eat in empty stomachs. It's decrease the belly fat also. Thank you.
My name is Jane Bertina Paulin. I am studying in 7A ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. I prepared a very healthy dish. It is a tricolor sandwich. It contains carrot, butter and capsicum. Carrot has vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. Paneer has calcium in it, which is good for your bones and teeth. And capsicum contains vitamin C. This is a tricolor fruit salad. It contains many fruits and vegetables. You can eat it in your empty stomach in the breakfast, as breakfast. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is K. Sadhanashri. I am studying in class 7A, ABS Global Smart School, Thiruvallur. Today I have prepared red aval kesari and groundnut salad. For red aval kesari, I have used red aval, jaggery and cashews. And for groundnut salad, I have used groundnut, carrot, pepper and salt. This keeps us healthy and fit. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Mohammad Fahid bin Alauddin. I am studying in 9A ABS Global Smart School, Thiruvallur. Today I make train biscuit sandwich and with some juice jelly shake. Jelly shake is made up of some jellies. To attract the colorful jellies, we make it in a home, and in train sandwich we make some vegetables like carrot, green chilli, capsicum, cucumber and some biscuits. Then we make some carrot as a wheel and we paste with mayonnaise and sauce.
Namaste, my name is Dushala Yadav from class 9th A ABS Global Smart School, Thiruvallur. My dish name is Oreo biscuit laddus. To prepare it, we need 2 packs of Oreo biscuits, and first we have to separate Oreo biscuits and cream from the biscuits. Then we have to blend it in the mixer, and we have to add 3 tablespoons of cream in it. Then in the cream part, we have to add grounded coconut, and we have to mix it well. After that, we have to make laddus of it. And after making laddus, we can prepare it easily, and we can decorate it with gems and other chocolates. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is P. Madesh, grade 8th A at Global Smart School at Thiruvallur. My dish is bread sandwich. It is made by bread, and first we have to take a cheese cream, and we have to put capsicum and tomato, chili flakes and salt. We have to mix it well, and in bread we have to put butter, and we have to put that of cheese cream in that. Thank you.
My name is Akhilesh. I am studying 6th standard A section from ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. I made up of bel puri and broken peanut laddu. Bel puri made up of coriander, onion, mixture and puffed rice. Broken peanut made up of broken peanut powder, sugar and coconut powder. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Varnika. I am studying ABS Global Smart School from Thiruvallur. I am studying 6th standard A section. Today I made raw rice donut with raw rice flour. Its benefit is rich in carbohydrates. It gives lots of energy. Its consistency is it should not stick in our hand. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Sandeep from ABS Global Smart School Thiruvallur. I made Kaju Katri and cornflakes salad. It made up of cornflakes, tomato and onions. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Kaushni. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. I made without fire apple pida and biscuit sandwich. Apple pida is made up of fried gram, sugar powder, milk, ghee. Biscuit sandwich is made up of biscuit, cheese, ketchup, onion, capsicum.
My name is Sudeep. I am studying in 7th standard ABS Global Smart School at Thiruvallur. I made up of Kaju Katri made up of cashews, cashew powder and milk powder, sugar powder and milk. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is T. Kaushni. I am studying 6th standard ABS Global Smart School in Thiruvallur. I made apple pida and biscuit sandwich. Apple pida is made up of groundnut, fried gram powder, milk, ghee, milk powder, and biscuit sandwich is made up of cheese, biscuit, onion, capsicum, ketchup. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Aarti Nandana of class 7A in ABS Global Smart School at Thiruvallur. I have made chocolate cake by bread slice, chocolate syrup and biscuit crumbles and biscuit cream. Thank you.